In this video we are going to practice hearing musical intervals, and today we will only focus on the minor seventh, the major seventh and the octave. Because I totally understand that training all of the intervals at once can feel a bit overwhelming, so let's just focus on these three first. That way your ears and mind can really get used to the difference between them. Training your musical ear is really important. It helps you sing in tune, it helps you recognize melodies more easily, and become a more confident musician overall. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Okay, at first I will let you listen to the minor seventh, the major seventh, and the octave so you can hear the difference between them. Okay, the minor seventh. This is a very tense and jazzy sound. A lot of jazz chords use the minor seventh. For instance, if I play a C, C, E, G, and then I will use the B flat, that is the minor seventh in this scale, and then it sounds like this. Ooh, jazz. Then we have the major seventh. It's almost an octave, but not quite, and it really wants to resolve to that eighth tone. Really wants to do that. And if you use this tone in a chord, it sounds like this. For instance, C, E, G, but then this C is going to become a B. So then it sounds like this. Instead of this. So that is why those minor and major sevenths are important. Okay, but I will tackle that in another video, trying to hear if it's a minor seventh chord or a major seventh chord. But today we are just going to focus on the intervals, and I will continue with the last one, and that is the octave. And the octave sounds like this. It's the same note, but it is higher, and it feels like coming home. You know, you're just going from A to B. And that's a poor choice of words, because from A to B, if you would play that on a piano, it would sound like this. So, forget what I said. But it feels like coming home. Hello, I'm home. Or something like that. Whatever you want to make of it. Okay, so let's hear them once more. The minor seventh, the major seventh, and the octave. So let's begin. This is a major seventh. This is a minor seventh. This is an octave. This is a major seventh. And remember, but this really wants to resolve to this. So if you really have that feeling like it wants to resolve, then it's a major seventh because it wants to resolve in an octave. Okay, the next one. This is a minor seventh. This was an octave. Another octave. Listen to this one. Where does this want to go? This is a major seventh because this one wants to go there. And that was a minor seventh. It's tense and it's a bit jazzy. Okay, that was it for today. Thank you for practicing with this video. I wish you lots of fun in the future with practicing those ears. And remember, if you do this a lot, you will get better. So, that said, I'm just gonna say goodbye.